Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to show you the easiest way to know if Bitcoin is in a bull or a bear market. In other words, do we expect Bitcoin's price to go up or down in the near future? I'm also going to show you how I adjust my trading and investing style based on if we're in a bull or a bear market. So if you're new here, welcome. My name's Chris Dunn, and I've been doing Bitcoin videos since 2013, and the reason why I do these videos is to help people become wiser and more disciplined investors and traders. And I'm constantly seeing a lot of confusion on social media and online from people trying to figure out if Bitcoin's price is going to go up or down. And I have a very simple, objective way that you can look at a price chart and figure this out very quickly. So before we dive into that, first a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for education purposes, so please don't buy or sell anything based on what we talk about in this video. So let's start by talking about a few facts. And for those of you that aren't familiar with the terminology bull market or bear market, think of a bull. You know, when a bull hits, it's going up with its horns. That's why a bull market, and when people say something is bullish, they're expecting prices to go up. And a bear market, think of a bear coming down with its claw, and when somebody says they're bearish, they expect prices to go down. That's what that means. It's a pretty silly analogy, but it works across all financial markets. And specifically with Bitcoin, since Bitcoin started trading on exchanges around 2012, we've had three major bull markets, so three longer periods of time where prices have gone up on average, and we've had three major bear markets where prices have decreased in value over time. And instead of trying to wake up every day and figure out if prices are going to go up or down today, the smartest traders and investors will try to figure out what is the trend over several days, weeks, months, or years. And that's what I try to figure out what's going to happen in the near future, midterm, and longer term. Okay, so let's talk about how to figure out if we are in a bull market or a bear market. And what we're looking at here is a daily chart. So this is my favorite chart to look at with Bitcoin. Is every candlestick here represents one 24-hour period of time. And there's really two things that we look at to keep this very, very simple and objective so there's no guessing. Number one is we look at some moving averages. We look at the 100-period moving average, which is this kind of orange line here. We look at a 200-period moving average, which is the blue line. So what that means, a moving average, if you don't know, is you take the average price over the past 100 days, and that gives you this kind of smooth line, right? Or a longer period, so if you take the average price over 200 days, you get the blue line, and that's